In this video, I am showing how to make upma with leftover idlis.
The same method I follow. I take almost a tablespoon of oil. I've taken 3 idlis and chopped them finely. You can even crumble it with your hand or blend it in a blender. I'm adding the seasoning ingredients, the same mustard and the dal, the same 3 ginger, green chilli and curry leaves. Now at this point I'm also adding I'm taking onions. I'm going to add a pinch of turmeric powder. Mix it well. The onion has become translucent. At this point I've got here capsicums. This is bell pepper. I even add some tomatoes. I don't want them to be well cooked, so I'll just keep for another minute. This, and I'll keep it again. I've just added the crumbled idlis in this, and chili powder if you want for taste, or else you can add the idli karam powder. I've already added the salt, so in another minute this idli upma will be ready. So
You can see that the upma is almost ready now.
Make just in 3-4 minutes. You can add peanuts or roasted cashew nuts. Garnish with coriander and maybe a dash of ghee in this. So your idli upma is ready, and you can serve it with any sauce or chutney or curd, or eat it as it is.